Hey, what's up guys? My name is Joey Harris, Hyperlight Team Rider. I got the new Sea Ray surf boat behind me, and I'm here to walk you through some beginner tricks for wake surfing. Once you've gotten comfortable dropping the rope and riding that wave, you can start to work on your carving. First, start out small, little bottom turns to a little top turn, then you can start to work your way up. Bigger bottom turns really push off your back foot, slingshot up to the wave, and really weight that front foot. Eventually, you're gonna start throwing buckets out there. Now, another thing you can work on is a floater. That's when you're gonna start from the back of the wave, get one pump in, hop up on top of that lip, drop back down. This is gonna be a crucial part of your wake surfing journey. This will lead to pumps for more speed, for 360s, airs, air 180s. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Get out there, get after it, and remember, these tricks are for all ages. Anyone can wake surf and have a great time out there. Practice, practice, practice always makes perfect. And if you want more videos, go check out Sea Ray's YouTube channel for more.